What's up, guys? It's Nick from Coastline Adventures. We are getting ready to go on an adventure. Getting the camper ready. Let me show you over here. We got a camper. Truck's hooked up. Got the golf cart. Everything's hooked up. Just waiting on my wife to put a couple final touches in the camper so we can close up the slides, put the stairs up, lock the doors, and we're going on an adventure. So stay tuned and we'll tell you where we're going. Delta's ready to go. You ready to go, Delta? You ready to go? You're ready to go? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. And Millie's ready too. Aren't you, Mill? Yeah, Millie's ready to go on an adventure. Yeah, it's a Moo. Hi, Moo. Mom's putting the final touches in the camper. And Ella won't tell us where we're going. Is it a secret?
No.
We'll tell them where you're going. Where are we going? What state we going to? What state we going to?
None.
None. We're going to... I thought we were going to... Starts with a P.
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania. And then where are we going? What are we going to?
Campground.
Campground. And what are you going to do there? Wow, that was pretty sweet. What are you going to do there?
Play with my friend Everett.
Oh, nice. There it is.
There it is, love.
That's big.
I don't know.
I didn't say there's a bathhouse.
No, he
I
said
heard
bathhouse.
Yeah, bathhouse. I heard bathhouse and open field. Bathrooms. What's his golf cart? Because he's not watching you.
This is higher than yesterday.
Is it?
Yeah. It was only 4 feet from yesterday. Can we come on? Mom.
Good job.
Woo!
Ella, come on!
Get that, get that.
Ella,
Hurry up.
Not the garden, no.
go!
So here's sites 157. You got Whitetail Lodge over here. You got Owl's Nest on this side. You got the field, volleyball. That's where the band was playing. Kids play soccer, kickball, baseball. A lot of seasonal sites in this place, though, so be prepared for that if you're going to come visit. Are you serious? That's a big site. Yeah, it is. Most of them are seasonal. Is that the bars? No, that's monkey bars over there. A lot of one-way roads, too. If you look, there's arrows. You got to follow the arrows. Bathhouse. Whoa, almost ran into a wall. It's all good. We're doing good.
Wait, can you go up this way? Go up that road. Look at some of these sites in here, because some of them are
This is tiny. This is like
Well, that's why I was looking. I didn't know what they looked like.
yeah, this one's tiny.
This one here's kind of like a buddy one because there's one up there too. So these three here are kind of like a buddy one. And then that one's up there. They're all kind of, I guess they're all kind of small.
Yeah, that's pretty small. They really squeeze them in here though. Back in sight there. It's not a bad back in sight. I know, turning around. See, follow the arrows. You think so? If you went all the way back, I don't think so.
I want to go to the golf course.
The where?
We're going.
Where she want to go?
Bars.
So they're like,
That's big.
That's a big one.
yeah, that's cute. That's cute.
That says something. The station. What does it say? These are gold sites. Gold sites, but back up to the field where the lake is.
Are these gold
It's the
sites?
bus station.
The bus station, huh? That's a big site.
So that's the site we want.
No, it's not. I wouldn't even mind one of these ones that like back up to the. Because that's a fifth wheeler. That thing's bigger than ours. But that's a nice site too. Gold number 4.
All of these sites are gold? Are these sites
This is where the goats usually are, but they weren't out on our trip. Here's the lake. Paddle boats. That's where they do s'mores and fires. All the rental carts. Miniature golf. Miniature golf course actually looks really cool. And they have the playground up front. Gift shop over here. They got ice cream. They got a really cool spot up top where they have events and a fitness center, which is really cool. They have the arcade that's in there, and the indoor pool and outdoor pool are over there. Miniature golf again, the other side of it. The air pumps are a quarter for 3 minutes.
Yeah, down here's the bar. No, right there's the bar, right in front of it.
Got it. So those sites back up to the. We're going to continue on from the lake. Seasonal sites, lots of gnomes. There's a big gnome theme back in this campground. These are the bougie sites.
Is that what they are doing? That was 109 was back in.
That's where you go to get to the dog park.
Oh, really?
That's what it says. That's what the sign's pointing. Yeah, we never found a dog park on this trip. There's no trees. I don't go to the Poconos to not have trees. If I want to do that, I go to Maryland. Man, I gotta figure out why the brakes feel like that.
Going downhill.
Yeah, why is it pulsating? Oh, this is a one-way. I don't know which way I'm going.
Why is the last day so cold?
This way?
Maybe.
This is all seasonals back here. This is seasonal alley. Cool site, but way too small for us. And I don't even think those are full hookups. That's a cool like buddy site, but they're seasonal again.
Yeah.
Yep. Another bathhouse, Comfort Station 4. And we can't go here. We gotta turn around. Oh, okay. Don't go that way. Yeah, all the big sites are like seasonal. I know, and I'm getting some views of the lake here, Mom. Because this is a fully stocked lake. They got paddle boats, as you can see. Fishing. They got docks over there. It's really pretty. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, it's down by the stream. We can take a walk down there.
Do it again.
Mama, come here.
Okay, Ella, what was your favorite part about the weekend staying at Sun Retreats Lancaster?
What did you have fun with this weekend?
Your favorite part out of everything?
The crafts.
What do you think?
You like the crafts? And the pool?
Definitely the pool. I think you love the pool. You were jumping and splashing and swimming and finding your seashell.
I like the pool and my cat.
Oh, you like the cat?
That you named Oreo.
Oh, that's cool.
Because it's black and white.
Mom, what was your favorite part, Mom?
The serenity. It's peaceful.
What was your favorite part, Mom?
I just said it was very peaceful.
Okay, what else? What's the favorite part of the campground?
The peacefulness.
Okay, Mom likes peacefulness, even though we get no peacefulness because we got you.
I know, but it, like when you go to other campgrounds, you get like
You know what my
rowdy
favorite
people.
part
What's
is?
your favorite part?
Seeing the tiny bug that's real.
Yeah, that was a weird tiny bug, huh? Yeah, he had a lot of legs. How many legs do you think he had?
50.
Probably maybe even 100. Yeah, he was a
Probably
big.
the whole number.
Probably. So you guys ready to go home?
No.
No, me neither. We gotta go back to work and school, huh?
No!
Yeah, I know, it's a bummer. Where's our next campground gonna be? We don't know. We gotta decide that, but we got a whole bunch. So why don't you tell them people to stay tuned and look for our next video where we go, because we'll be on an LA expedition. Why don't you tell them? Say, stay tuned, everybody. Not gonna happen?
You say it.
I said it. Stay tuned, everybody.
You.
Well, do you say stay tuned? We'll see you on the next one.
All right. And we're out.